Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Sugar and More. So today we're going to show you the syrups that Sugar got from the Skinny Mixes website. These are all skinny syrups. This one is blueberry lavender. And what these are like, y'all know how y'all go to Starbucks and you're like, can I get a pump of this? Can I get a pump of that? This is what this is, except for it's 0 calories and 0 sugar, but they're still sweet. So this one is caramel. We haven't had the blueberry lavender before, but we've had caramel. Haven't had the Meyer lemon raspberry. Um, love the mocha. We have strawberry. I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna put this in like some tea or something. Caramel macchiato. Haven't had this, but excited to try it. And then we have peach. I'm not really a peach person, but I'll try it. See how it is. Oh, and then also, let me just go on and get that out the way. Also, you can get the like the pumps from the website. So you take the top off and you put these in there. So you just pump it. I'll show y'all an example. Y'all probably don't need an example, but I'm a physical person. I like to see stuff. Or a visual person, I meant, my bad. So yeah, you just leave the pump on there and then you just pump it into your coffees or your teas or whatever you want to put it in. Let me see, because it said you can, oh my gosh, what was it? The strawberry one I saw, it said you can do like a slush. See, yeah, you can do lemonade and tea. You can do smoothies, cocktails, and mocktails. Yeah, you can put these in like pretty much anything you want to. I'm not sure if you can just put it in water like a sweetener. I don't know about that. If y'all try that, let me know how it tastes. But don't say that I told y'all to do it. Don't come back here saying that I done led y'all astray now. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Watch other videos. Spread the word. Thank you. Okay, bye.